Hey there planners, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to transition into the holidays. So today we're going to set up my washi stand here and build it up with some holiday washi. And then also I thought it would be fun to change out my planner pin bag. So if you guys want to check out this video, then keep on watching. So hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sarah and today's video is super fun. So I thought it would be fun to change out my washi stand here. This is something that you guys see in my plans with me's and I like setting it up for the season. And so I have some fun washi here. This is a collection of different brands, and then I also have more to the side of me. And also I thought it would be fun to change out my planny pack. This is one by CONDREN. They no longer sell this design anymore. It was from their Black Friday, I think I got last year. I think they had one available this year in their Black Friday, but I think they're moving forward to the new design, which is the top zipper. And this one's on the side. So this is a beautiful red one with, it's got the silver asterisk logo here on the side. And it is silver hardware, and it's got the fun band on the back and the pocket, and it's like super glittery. So I thought this was perfect for the holidays. So we're gonna swap that out and fill it up with planner goodies. So let's get started. Okay, so what I wanna do is kind of take everything off of here first. And the reason why I do this, again, I like to have everything set and ready. If I have time to set this up and organize it, I try to make it a goal to do that. And that's kind of what Shop My Stash is. If you're new to my channel, this is part of shopping my stash. I get all the washi that I like to plan with and set it up for the month or for the quarter, just depending on when I do this. But I find that I'm doing it like seasonally. It's just better for me, so I'm not doing it all the time. So I think that's a good way to start, is just setting it seasonally, you know, winter, spring, summer, and fall. So this is all my fall washi. I have a mixture of Simply Gilded, Plannything, my local craft stores, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And I just go by color, whatever mood I'm in, honestly, and whatever I can fit on here. So I'm gonna take all this off. I'm gonna go ahead and like flip this washi to the side so I know what's in here. So I can kind of also get an idea of how I want to set this, by color maybe, or by the size of the washi. I hope I have all. I'm kind of a little unorganized with my Christmas stuff, to be quite honest with you, because some of it I just got, and then some of it I just left in a bin from last year when I was packing everything up. And if you're wondering what I do with all my seasonal items, is I try to keep it in bins, clear bins, and packed away in my closet when I don't use it or need it at the moment. So that way my office doesn't get overflowed with planner stuff. So that's how I kind of organize that. So I'm going to push this to the side. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and geek out over planner things with me, because this is what I love to do. I love to share with you guys creative ideas, planner tips. We like to have fun here on this channel. So if you're new here, let me know by putting a Christmas emoji, a Christmas tree, or just say hello, I'm new here, if you don't feel comfortable putting an emoji down. And if you are one of my supportive followers, give me a big heart and let me know that you're here. Okay, so I'm just kind of putting these to the side here so I can see what I got here. I think in this one, this is on my Christmas planner cart this year. I decided to put that together this year so I can find all the things. It's just better to be a little bit more prepped and organized if I'm doing plans with me's or December daily or any type of memory documenting, and it's just all there on the cart for me. So if you haven't checked out that video, it is already up for you when you're available to watch it. And a lot of this washi is a haul that I did last year. I think a lot of it's from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. Okay, and then lastly, I do have another container. This is like my first set of washi when I started December Daily. So a lot of this is like from scrapbook.com. I think maybe Michael's, maybe there's some Happy Planner in here. And then maybe some new stuff that I got last year. Actually, this looks like some of the stuff that I got last year. And then I also have been finding washi at Daiso. I've talked about Daiso before. It's a nice little store, like affordable, convenient store that I can get planner and stationery products from. Okay, so now that I have that, this is a container from IKEA. This is also something I may use to put on my bookshelves to store all those seasonal things. Okay, I'm gonna move my planny pack out of the way so we can get started. A lot of this over here is simply gilded, which I know I want to fill up first. So I'm actually going to move this over. Maybe we'll do like red and greens, and then all the rest of like multicolors or blues or something here at the bottom. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started in filling this up. Okay, so my washi stand is completely full. I really love the colors, and I'm super excited to share with you guys some more plans with me coming up soon and a little bit of projects. So up at the top here, I did all like red and greens with a little bit of gold. It's just so pretty, so much cute washi. And then at the bottom, I decided to do like multicolored here on the side, and then some blue tones on that side, and I'm sure all of us will get mixed up at the bottom. But and the rest of this I'm just going to keep in this container because obviously I can't get all that on there. It is a lot. And I do have this fun washi. I think this is from the Dollar Tree. A long time ago they had this out, which was really cute. Is where I used to get a lot of my planner products, is from the Dollar Tree. Maybe I'll have to check it out soon and see if they have anything, but yeah, it's all cute and set up. So I'm just going to put that to the side there and try to close this up. And put this back on my little cart. Oh my gosh, I hope this will close. Okay, that should be fine. All right, next, getting your planner pouch set up for the holidays or for Christmas. You know, just using those fun specialty pens that you've been telling yourself that you want to use more of. I think this is the best time to do that. So here is the one that I was using for the fall. This is like a pretty dark orange color, and it's got the gold hardware, and then you know, the red one has the silver. So let's take everything out of here. I mean, I have been working with some colors, so it's hard sometimes to use what you like, because some of these markers and pens don't always fit really well in here when you have it too stuffed. This is my life here. Look at all this. This is why I needed to set this up. I was overflowing with fall and December stuff. Okay. So basically, I'm using like fun colored markers from Michael's. I have the Artist Loft dupes. These are like the Zig Clean Dot markers, but they're the dupes. And I have ERIN CONDREN and some of my favorite writing tools, and then I had this neutral marker highlighter that I got from Shein. That was what I was using for the fall. Okay, so definitely going to use this. This is a ERIN CONDREN dry erase marker. It works really well. It's got a fine tip. It comes in assortment of colors, and I've been trying to use the laminated dashboards. Typically, I'm not a planner who, started using those or made that a routine to use those, but now I decided that I would give them a go since I'm using ERIN CONDREN planners this year, and I plan on using those for 2023. Okay, what else? So I have this pen. This has been one of my favorite writing tools. This is from Shein. It's an affordable pen. It comes in a pack, and I think you get a 3-pack maybe for $1. I do have a video on that, and ERIN CONDREN actually just came out with pens sort of like this, to be quite honest. It's the same type of pen. It just has an ERIN CONDREN packaging. So I love these pens. They're just really nice. They're smooth, they're black. I don't know, they're just really nice. So that has been a pen that I've been loving to use. And then I have this one, which was my other go-to. It's the Uniball Signo. It's a very inexpensive pen. I get mine at Walmart, but I have both 0.5 and 0.7. So this one I put in here. And then I think the rest of these are like colored. So I have the dual-ended writing pens from ERIN CONDREN, and I was using the blue and the sage and this gold color. So we may keep the green one. I don't know. These are kind of hard because you could use all colors actually for Christmas. So we'll see about those. But I definitely want to put these in here. These were from the seasonal surprise box, the winter box, and they're just really great smooth gel pens, but they're colored. So this one's like a blue and this is a gold, so those would be fun to use. And this I'll put back. This is a fine tip colored marker from ERIN CONDREN. And then these are the Artist Loft ones. So these were like the Christmas colors I was working with. And then these were the fall colors, and then a mild liner. These are the double-ended brush ones. These are my favorite. These are new. Well, they're not really new, but they're new to me. And I just got a bunch of those at the conference at Go Wild. They were the table that I sat at. Okay, so I'm going to put these back. This little thing I use for editing, I don't always keep it in here. It's just in there when I have my planning pack. This, I'm going to put back this highlighter. And so let's put these in there. Oh, the inside is blue. I didn't even know that. That gives me 4th of July vibes. But I love it. The bright blue, that's fun. Okay, so those are in there. It's a little bit of a snug. Again, when you start using like taller markers like this, it's always hard to find a good planner pouch that fits really nicely. I could definitely put them in the back, but I'm just going to put them in that pocket. And then I have the white jelly roll pen. These are typically used for like mistakes when you're planning. It's like an extra thing, a really, really extra thing. You really don't need it. I'm going to put this editing tool in the back. And then for these, yeah, we'll go ahead and keep these in here. And I definitely love writing with these as well, but I love that they have like a nice colored highlighter at the end. So we'll just keep all 3 of those in there. That's fine. So other things that I put in here is like a washi cutter. You can slide in the back there. And typically I don't put these types of tools in there. I always like keep these separately because they're just really chunky. This is an X-Acto tool for cutting washi stickers, some tweezers, and then I use this to air out those bubbles on stickers. I know I know it's a planner thing. It's a lot of extra stuff. And then some scissors. So normally I just keep like the scissors tucked back here. And then I'll put this in the pocket. But most of the time I keep those out and like hold them separate, and I put them in a pocket and on my planner bag or something and not really put them in there. But that's all set for me. The only thing I'm missing is like whiteout. Actually, I don't have that here with me, but that's something else I will add in there. Alrighty friends, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and setting up my washi for the month of December and some of the washi that I'll be using and planning with, and then also switching out my planner bag. This is just something fun to do and get in the habit of doing. It's really helpful, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy holidays. Bye!